Hello, it's Marianne here. I'm a furniture maker from Oslo. Welcome to Stian's workshop, where I'm working too, thanks to the Homo Faber Fellowship. Since I started, we have explored and worked with metal, enamel, air, 3D prints, 3D scans and laser cuts. Lately though, we've been focusing on wood. A couple of weeks ago we collected a variety of species from Nesodden and are now processing them in creative ways. Stian's library, expertise and years of experience with different materials is inspiring. I really enjoy the mix of functional and aesthetic craftsmanship. By using tools passed down from his grandfather, we produce both small, everyday objects and unique sculptures. Before leaving the workshop, I take a moment to stretch and plan for the day ahead, ensuring I'm ready for new challenges. See you!